Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to bring you a very quick review on this beautiful 4x4 lace human hair unit I am wearing. So if you'd like to see me install her and all of the specs, please keep on watching. As you can see, the more I play with this hair, it gets thicker and thicker. This is such a beautiful unit. As you see how easy it is to install, this is a 4x4 lace, meaning that you only get the front right here with lace, and then it goes back 4 inches back as well. In the back there isn't any lace at all. It usually just have that piece of lace. I honestly, of all my years of wearing wigs, I honestly don't know what they put that at the back for because it's not a full 360 lace. But nevertheless, this hair is really beautiful. I feel like if you love curly or wet and wavy hair, this is a good option. If you want something that isn't too expensive, this is also a very great option, as this hair costs under $150 for, I believe this is maybe about 22 inches. And I feel like the texture is really soft and pretty. I really love the curl pattern on this one. It's really pretty. And all I did was just cut a little bit of the baby hairs in the front, which I'm not too good with baby hairs. It's not really my thing, but I try to put them when I use wigs so it blends the lace to make it look a little bit more natural. As I do have 4C hairs, I do try to create the baby hairs with the unit, so that way I don't have to use my hair, my 4C hair, with this type of hair texture. And it's really lovely. I feel like the texture, I can't stress how beautiful this is. Really lovely. And density, this is 180. It does come just like this in its normal black color. I am 5'7", and this is where the hair reaches me, like so. Really, really a lovely, lovely, lovely unit. I feel like this is perfect for any time of year. This is absolutely beautiful for the holiday season. And if there's anything that you would like to know about this beauty that I didn't mention, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you're new here and you do like hair videos and makeup videos, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to bringing you more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.